In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with QuickBooks Online to enhance your marketing efforts. This integration will allow you to effectively manage your customer data and create more targeted email campaigns, all while simplifying your workflow. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into both your Mailchimp and QuickBooks Online accounts. This step is crucial because having both accounts ready ensures a smooth setup process. Now head over to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Integrations section. Mailchimp's integrations are designed to help you connect with other platforms, and today we're focusing on QuickBooks. Within the integrations area, you'll need to locate QuickBooks. You can usually find it easily as Mailchimp has a wide array of integrations available, and they're sorted for easy browsing. Click on QuickBooks to proceed with the connection process. Now you'll be prompted to connect your QuickBooks account to Mailchimp. To do this, you'll need to authorize access. This step is essential to allow both platforms to share data securely. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the authorization. Sometimes you'll need to log back into QuickBooks to verify your identity as part of the security process. Once your QuickBooks account is connected, it's time to sync your customer data to Mailchimp. This involves transferring information from QuickBooks to your Mailchimp audiences, where you can manage and organize your contacts. Keep in mind that syncing your data will help you segment your customers based on various criteria, allowing you to tailor your email campaigns more effectively. With your data now in Mailchimp, let's move on to segmenting customers and creating targeted email campaigns. Segmentation is a powerful tool that allows you to send personalized messages to different groups of customers. You might want to start by defining your segments based on criteria such as purchase history, location, or customer engagement levels. This targeted approach not only makes your marketing more effective, but also helps in building customer relationships. After setting up your campaigns, it's important to monitor the results. Mailchimp offers insights and analytics that help you understand how your campaigns are performing. Utilize these tools to track open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. These metrics will be vital for evaluating the success of your campaigns and making any necessary adjustments. Lastly, remember to update your contacts regularly. As your business grows and changes, so does your customer base. Ensuring that your contact information is current will help maintain effective communication and lead to more successful campaigns. By following these steps, you've now successfully integrated Mailchimp with QuickBooks Online.